Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman is a groundbreaking book that explores the psychological mechanisms that drive human thought and decision-making. The book is based on Kahneman's extensive research in behavioral economics, psychology, and cognitive science, and offers a deep dive into the workings of the human mind. The book argues that human thinking can be divided into two distinct systems, referred to as System 1 and System 2. System 1 thinking is intuitive, automatic, and unconscious, while System 2 thinking is conscious, deliberate, and slow. Kahneman argues that these two systems have different strengths and weaknesses, and they can some biases in our thinking, at times, lead to biases in our thinking and decision-making. System 1 thinking is responsible for many of the quick, automatic decisions we make every day, such as recognizing faces or avoiding danger. This type of thinking is fast and efficient, but it can also be prone to errors and biases, and it can be influenced by our emotions and expectations. System 2 thinking, on the other hand, is more deliberate and slow, and it is the type of thinking we engage in when we are trying to solve a complex problem or make a difficult decision. System 2 thinking requires effort and attention, and it is often used to correct the errors made by System 1 thinking. The book also explores a number of biases and heuristics, mental shortcuts that can affect our thinking and decision-making, including confirmation bias, our tendency to seek out information that supports our existing beliefs and ignore information that contradicts them; anchoring bias, our tendency to rely too heavily on the first piece of information we receive the anchor when making decisions; halo effect, our tendency to make generalizations about a person based on a single trait or characteristic; framing affects the way in which the wording or presentation of a problem can influence our decision-making; loss aversion, our tendency to place a greater weight on avoiding losses than on acquiring gains. Throughout the book, Kahneman provides numerous examples of how these biases and heuristics can impact our thinking and decision-making in everyday life, from financial investments to medical decisions. He also offers insights into how we can overcome these biases and make better decisions by being aware of them and applying systematic thinking when necessary. In conclusion, Thinking, Fast and Slow is a fascinating and thought-provoking book that provides a new understanding of the human mind and how it works. It offers valuable insights into how we can improve our decision-making by being aware of our biases and applying systematic thinking when necessary. The book has had a major impact on the fields of psychology, economics, and decision science, and it remains a must-read for anyone interested in understanding the intricacies of human thought and behavior.